little McLaren in here today. Customer called and said, hey, can you make these headlamps look better? So that's our goal. We're gonna make them look better. Simply, clean, easy. We're gonna run a little knifeless and some tint and just try and make them look a little better. If you take a peek, the McLarens are known for getting kind of like a mold or a condensation on the inside. They call it like a water or moisture mold because it spreads out like mold. So I'm gonna try and run some knifeless, kind of make like a nice design. They still want the headlamps to show well, but we're gonna try and hide this, and if it expands a little bit, make it look sexy, see what we can do. Now the goal is to make it be consistent. All right, one side to the other since we free-handed it all. So that's the kicker. So right now we're just laying this on, and what I'm doing right now is, one, I have a big enough piece to make sure that we're not touching behind, right? We don't want to touch the backside of this film on the headlamps. We don't want fingerprints. And so I'm just heating it and letting it relax and just working it around all these edges and all these corners. Making sure we don't have fingers, and you want it to go smoothly. You want it to lay down nice with this film, because this is Luxe window tint, or not window tint per se, but it's tint for headlamps, tail lamps. Anybody that watched the video of me rapping at the rap contest in Las Vegas at the SEMA show, this was the film we used on the back of the, the Challenger, right? We used knifeless and all that. The film's great, the people are great. We can do it a lot of different ways. This film here works good. This is the medium tint. So this stuff doesn't have too much tint. It has just, on a headlamp, has just enough, right? And the way that we did it is we left the headlamp actually exposed. So we didn't want to cover up their ability to see. So